Has some more numbers for us. Yes, go ahead, Asaf.
Right, absolutely. Let's start off with the Haryana Assembly elections. We have been tracking 6 agencies so far, and these are the predictions that they have rolled out. Let's start with Matrix over here. According to them, BJP will be clinching 18 to 24 seats, INC 55 to 62, INLD 3 to 6, JJP 0 to 3, and others 2 to 5. People's Pulse. According to them, the BJP will be bagging 20 to 32 seats, INC looking comfortable over there with 49 to 61. INLD 2 to 3, JJP 0 to 1, others 3 to 5. The third agency that we have over here for you, Dhruv Research. Their prediction is that the BJP is going to be bagging 22 to 32 seats, with the INC then bagging 50 to 64 seats, INLD at 0, JJP at 0, others 2 to 8. Dainik Bhaskar, and the prediction that they have rolled out is that the BJP will be bagging 15 to 29 seats, INC again looking rather comfortable over there with 44 to 54 seats, INLD 0, JJP 0, others 4 to 10. PMARQ over here, and this is the prediction that they've made. BJP 27 to 35, INC 51 to 61, INLD 3 to 6, JJP 0, others 0. And the last one that we have over here for you, GistTIFF Research, and their prediction is that the BJP is going to bag 29 to 37 seats, INC again looking rather comfortable over there, 45 to 53, INLD 0 to 2, JJP 0, others 4 to 6. When we just take a look at the numbers, these numbers are not looking that promising. INC, in fact, looking much more comfortable over there. The poll of polls and the accumulation over here is that the BJP is going to be getting 29 seats, INC 52. So again, crossing that halfway mark over there. INLD 2, JJP 2, and others 5. So this is again the prediction that has been made for Haryana, and now we put before you the numbers that are coming out as far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. We have 5 agencies over here for you, starting off with Dainik Bhaskar over here. BJP 20 to 25, INC, NC 30 to 35 to 40, I beg your pardon, PDP 4 to 7, others 12 to 16. Gulistan News, and their prediction is that the BJP is going to be getting 28 to 30 seats, INC, NC 31 to 36, PDP 5 to 7, others 8 to 16. People's Pulse over here, and their prediction is that the BJP is going to be bagging 23 to 27 seats, INC, NC 46 to 50, again a comfortable number over there. PDP, I beg your pardon, 7 to 11, others 4 to 6. Sea Voter, the prediction that they've made, BJP 27 to 32, INC, NC 40 to 48, PDP 6 to 12, others 6 to 11. Access My India, and this is the prediction that has been rolled out. BJP 24 to 34, INC, NC 35 to 45, PDP 4 to 6, others 8 to 23. These are the predictions that have been made, and we have clubbed the numbers over here for you. Poll of polls, and the overall prediction is that the BJP is going to be bagging 27 seats, INC, NC 42, PDP 7, others 14. So again, the Congress looking rather comfortable in Jammu and Kashmir as well. Uday, back to you.
All right, let me take that to Dr. Nimi Rastogi. Dr. Nimi Rastogi of the Aam Aadmi Party. This is not good news.